Hello, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to earn from your verified Binance exchange. So if you want to earn from your verified Binance exchange, the steps are very easy. So the first thing you have to do is to make sure you have fund on your Binance app. Next thing is tap on wallet. So when you tap on your wallet, it will take you to the interface. The next thing you have to do is to tap on USDT and make sure that your fund is on spot wallet. The next thing you have to do is to tap on Earn USDT APR up to 3.19%. You tap on it. So when you tap on it, it's going to take you to this interface. Okay, so this is the interface. So what you have to do here now is to tap on USDT 3.18%. So the next thing you have to do here is to enter the amount of USDT you wish to stack, so that you start earning 3.18% of APR, which is in USDT is up to 0.00. If you let me enter the amount that I wish to stack. If you want to stack all the USDT in your Binance account, you just have to tap on max. So, and this is my daily earning on my exchange. So if I stack all the 1.72794361 USDT, I'll be earning this daily on my Binance exchange. So if I just have to tap on the agreement icon, that is have to tap on the agreement icon there and confirm my transaction for it to take place. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and then do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Thanks for watching.